Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from XMO to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your assets or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active XMO account with your Chainlink linked tokens and your Arculus wallet app installed on your device. Also, double-check that you have the exact wallet address handy. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and find the Withdraw or Withdrawal section. This is usually under the Assets or Funds menu. Step 2. Once in the withdrawal area, select Chainlink Link from the list of available cryptocurrencies. XMO might have a search function, so type in Link to speed things up. Step 3. Now, enter your Arculus wallet address. This is the most critical part. Copy and paste it carefully to avoid any typos. If you're using the Arculus app, make sure it's open and you're on the receive screen to verify. Step 4. Specify the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees displayed. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review everything on the summary page to ensure it looks correct. Step 5. Hit confirm and complete any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Step 6. Sit tight. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025. Finally, once it's done, open your Arculus wallet and check your balance to confirm the transfer. If you run into issues, reach out to XMO or Arculus support. Don't panic. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to move your Chainlink to a more secure spot. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay updated and prioritize security. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.